Just use this software. Use this software receipt graphics. For example, if you need to cut a ball shape, you need to draw a circle first. After drawing the circle, draw a cross-section. Draw the empty knife position. What is the line that draws the circle from this? Then copy and translate the line segment. Then move towards there. Use extension. Then connect the lines. Perform pruning. Spherical cutting path. This circle is equivalent to a sphere. This circle is the spherical cutting path that the knife needs to take. This is the path the knife takes. Then cut the side off. The semicircle here is what we want to actually cut. Then there are all empty knives here. Programming, cutting programming. Then make a breakpoint here. Select the loop cut at this endpoint. The machine will cut according to the trajectory. Then the programming is finished. Select Save Programming. Programmatic naming. Save. Then open the cutting software. Select Loader. Open Cutting Diagram. Click to edit the program. The value after L is the number of cuts. Turn 10 times to form a ball. Set the number of rotating knives according to size. Set here for 30 knives. Then set F1000. Enter a space B0 after F1000. Then enter B in the space at the bottom. Calculation method 360 degrees is a circle. 360 divided by 30 equals 12. Enter the value 12 after B below. Then click on the cross. Click Save. Click Apply. Start booting. The machine starts processing. The machine will perform spherical cutting according to the circle of the program trajectory. The machine will execute the programmed command repeatedly until it is completed.